We'll guide you through how to create a Wix Members Area. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix website editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Add Apps icon. Click on it and search for Members Area in the search bar. Once you find it, click on Add to Site. Wix will then automatically add the Members Area app to your site, and you'll see new pages like Login and My Account added to your menu. Next, you need to customize the Members Area to suit your needs. Click on the Members Area in your site menu to open the settings. Here, you can customize the layout, design, and functionality. You can set which pages members have access to, and you can also decide whether membership is open to everyone or if you want to approve new members manually. To do this, go to the Manage Members section. You can create different membership plans if you want to offer exclusive content or special features. This is done in the Pricing Plans app, which you can add similarly to the Members Area app. If you want to collect member information, you can customize registration forms by clicking on the Sign Up form and then selecting Manage Fields. This allows you to add fields for any information you'd like to gather from your members, such as email, address, or preferences. Remember to regularly check the Members Area dashboard to manage your members and analyze their interactions with your site. This helps you understand what your members are engaging with the most and can guide future updates to your website. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.